Welcome back, everybody. It's been 2 weeks since I started the pineapple wine. This is a Camden tablet crushed up that kills the yeast within 24 hours. I'm also going to be adding whole maraschino cherry juice, just the juice for right now, simply because it has potassium sorbate in it. Now, what that does is it gets in there and it sterilizes all the yeast. It removes their genitals, to be honest with you. But we'll just stick with the layman's terms of sterilization. So I'm going to go ahead and add this. Now, I've already transferred this into a secondary vessel. I'm sorry I did not get that on camera, but it will be all right. I promise you. I promise you wholeheartedly, it will be all right. So I'm going to go ahead and just dump this Camden down in there. I probably should have moved the bag, but it'll be all right, you know. No big deal. Go ahead and get that mixed in there, because I didn't see the purpose of getting rid of the pineapple, because it's still good. It's still whole pieces, you know, because it'll be all right. No big deal. Now, I probably need to tie that in a better knot now. And no, it'll be all right. Just add my maraschino cherry juice. Now, I'm going to do my best to just get the juice down in there. Mind you, I'm going one-handed at this. But like I said, I'm using this because the potassium sorbate, because I can't be bothered to buy it. I ain't going to add all of it because I will be adding this whole jar in about 3 days to throw some additional flavoring into it. But I believe I added just enough to really make that yeast die. So what I'll do from here is I'm going to mix this in real pretty good. Make sure it gets everywhere. And then I'm going to put the lid back on. Barely tight, because you do not want to break that seal. That's how you mess it up. So I barely lightly tap it. I'm going to put the lid back on it. And then I'm going to let it sit here for 3 days. Then we'll be back in 3 days and I'll show you where we're at.
Oh, Cat Daddy-o.